Welcome to RepairDesk Connect. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can quickly and effectively collect online reviews for your Google business profile through text messages. Google reviews aren't optional, they're essential. Without them, your repair shop risks getting ignored by both customers and search engines. They're a major ranking factor in search and the first thing customers see when they search for repair shops near them. Many repair shops still rely on collecting reviews through a QR code sign that averages about 6 reviews per month. RepairDesk Connect takes all the hassle out of communicating with your customers and collecting their reviews automatically every time they do business with you, so you'll have an easier time growing your online presence. RepairDesk Connect is the ultimate tool for collecting reviews from your customers at your repair store. Using RepairDesk Connect and our built-in campaigner module, you can send out a text message within 24 hours requesting reviews on your Google business listing. Requesting reviews this way leads to a personalized message sent to each customer to see if they were happy with the job, faster response times from them, and direct communication with them through RepairDesk Connect. Now, let's show you how the magic happens. RepairDesk Connect integrates directly with our campaigner feature that's baked into every RepairDesk account. Your RepairDesk subscription comes with access to our campaigner system that's designed to send out customized messages to your clientele. When you create a campaign, you'll initially have the option to send your messages out via email only. However, if you've subscribed to RepairDesk Connect, you'll also have the ability to deliver those messages via text message for faster response. Simply choose the option to deliver via SMS in your campaign, and your review campaign will be pushed directly to your customer's phone using RepairDesk Connect. This allows you to collect reviews from your customers much faster, saving you a whole lot of time while also increasing the number of reviews for your business on your platform of choice. Once your text message has been sent, your customer can respond to the number through the same text message, and the reply will show right within RepairDesk Connect, allowing you to continue the conversation right from your system. Let's go over all the steps on how to set this feature up. We'll first head on over to the campaigner screen by selecting Campaigner in the top menu bar. And on the Review Campaign entry, select the Edit button to open the campaign's details. On this screen, we'll be able to edit several options. Action Time allows us to set the conditions for when the campaign will run. We recommend choosing to automatically send your campaign out based on a set duration. Selecting the second option gives us a new field called Duration, where we can set the campaign to deliver your messages automatically after a certain number of days. We recommend setting it out to 1 day. If you're subscribed to RepairDesk Connect, you'll also be able to set the time of your campaign's delivery. We recommend sending the campaign out between 10 and 11 a.m. The email content section will have an email template that's been automatically generated for your campaign, which you can customize as you like. The template will allow you to personalize your message based on the customer's name, your store's name, and other parameters. Over on the bottom, the SMS content will also have a personalized template ready to go that you can edit as well. We recommend using a template like this. You'll need to enable the option to send your campaign out via SMS in the Campaign Medium section. If you aren't subscribed to RepairDesk Connect, you'll only be able to see the option to send out messages via email. Once you've set everything up, hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, we need to enable the campaign by clicking on the Enable button underneath it. Once enabled, you can also test the campaign by clicking on the Test Campaign button, where you can send a test message either through email or SMS. Using the power of RepairDesk Connect, collecting and managing reviews for your business is a swift and hassle-free experience every time. If you haven't already, we recommend signing up for RepairDesk Connect today. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you join the RepairDesk Connect family.